Show y'all what's going on in here. Garlic Parmesan purple cauliflower, man. Yes. We are back with another episode, guys. Oh, look at that beautiful bunch of purple cauliflower. Yes. And of course, I will be making for you on today garlic Parmesan purple cauliflower wings. Yes, you are in the right place. You are here, and it is the right time. You are exactly where, believe it or not, you are exactly where you are supposed to be. Yes. Of course, you know, we've been through this. We've gone through this quite a bit. Of course, you know that I am the chocolate solution to all Yes! My hype is unparalleled! So glad you're here. So glad you're here. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. I am currently on my way home. Yes, currently. I am on my way home. Yes. As I get that cauliflower chopped up right there, chopped up. I was strategically making my cuts right here because I wanted them to be almost perfect and like a small cauliflower presentation, but kind of like I'm imitating drumsticks, like mini drumsticks or something like that, you know. So I was trying to get it as close to that with every snip of the knife that I could. This is my first time making would you consider this vegan? Not sure. Anyway. This is my first time purchasing cauliflower as meat, as chicken wings. Drumsticks, you know, that great American pastime snack that we enjoy so well. Yes. Just getting it chopped on up right here. It's a nice day out. After all the raining that it has done today, it is a pretty nice day once you make it through the rain. This makes me want to sing. Sunny day. You know, that didn't come out right. We'll just stop right there. And I'm not editing that out. Yes, you guys, yes. Of course, traffic is like, oh, goodness. Traffic absolutely stinks right now. That's why I'm able to do a full video just do a voiceover for a full video right here. Yes. Let me go ahead and say it. Let me just go ahead and say it. Guys, everybody that's viewing this video, if you made it this far, I thank you. Thank you. Because the retention has been, it means that the retention has been pretty good up to this point. Alright? As we get that EVOO across those cauliflower right there. But guys, if you've made it this far into the video, we're almost 6 minutes in. Please do me a big favor and hit that absolutely free like button. It's free. It's free. It will not hurt you. Your finger will not be dismembered once you take it off the icon, okay? Hopefully. If it does, then please feel free to leave a comment detailing how your finger was dismembered, and I may feature you in one of my shorts, alright? Not the shorts that I'm gonna have covering my thighs, kneecaps, no, YouTube shorts. Get your mind out of the gutter. Anyway. Alright, here we go. Just popping them in the air fryer for a little bit. And now I'm getting started on my sauce right here. Of course, I do this. I tend to save great flavors inside of zips. So yeah. So this actually is from actual garlic parm chicken wings that I did, and I wanted to save the sauce. So, yep. And I was at the local farmers market, and I seen a beautiful, could you be the most beautiful collie in the world? Could you be? Oh yes, I seen it. I had to get it. I didn't even know cauliflower came in purple, alright? As we use those seasonings right there, I'm pretty sure that was onion powder. And I think I used Mediterranean seasoning. I'm not 1000%. But I think I did season that a little bit, of course. Okay, there's the garlic powder. Of course, when you freeze a sauce, there's a huge chance that the condensation that built up in the bag and the frost that's going to unthaw with the actual sauce, it's probably going to water it down a bit. So I just lightly seasoned it, again. So. And by the time the finished product came out, it was not super salty. So yeah, it was fine for me to reseason it. Actually turned out to be a very good decision. As you see, those cauliflower are once roasted, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at them. It's kind of like the stem of it turned like a grayish purple, very, 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 very light purple, gray hue, very opaque. As you see right there, now the cauliflower are getting added to the sauce in that pan. Taking my utensil and I'm just mixing that sauce on in. It's so good. So good. My mom looked at this and she was like, no son, I don't. But little does she know, she will try this. Absolutely yes. Mom, you ain't got no choice. Yeah, what you gonna do, whoop me? You gonna whoop me? You gonna whoop me? boy. I'm just teasing. Always. I love playing with him though. But anyway, yeah, I'm just getting it acquainted in that skillet. We getting it covered up, all nice right there. Getting it covered up. Getting it put back into that air fryer basket so it can get fried one last time. And this is like, this was it. This was the best thing to do. We got those Italian breadcrumbs right there. Two times in the air fryer. One time just to, you know, get the wetness out of it, get the moisture out of the cauliflower. And twice to complete it. You see I have that Parmesan right there. It's just the last little touches that I'm putting on it. I did my wings the same way. You guys should check that out. As a matter of fact, I will link the short. I will link the short in the description of actual Parmesan garlic parm wings. And oh my goodness, they were so good. Look at that. Jokers are fine. What the hell? What the? Guys, if you have enjoyed this delicious video, you know exactly what to do. And until next time, see ya!